Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.3, Problem 3. This is Section 3.3, Problem 3. It says, without doing any actual computation, determine which of the following is the best estimate for the problem shown. And we have 5.214 plus 8.13 plus 1.8509. So just make an estimate. What's closer, 12, 13, 14, or 15? Well, as we add up the numbers, I can see that 5 and 8 is 13. 13 and 1 more is 14. 14 is one of the options, but it's actually not the best estimate. It's an okay estimate. It will be close to 14. But if you combine the decimals too, it's 14 and some more. So just the 0.2 and the 0.8, not even with the 0.13, there's another 1 on top of the 14. So 5 plus 8 plus 1 is 14, and the decimals add up to at least another 1, so 14 and 1 more. 15 is a better estimate. 14 would be okay, 15 is better.